So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone back tap not working after iOS 17 update. As you can see, this is iPhone XS and right now it's back tap not working when I update it 17 latest iOS update. Okay, if you're also facing that kind of issue in your iPhone, keep watching full video. In this video I will show you how you can fix that. So let's start video without wasting any time and firstly move to the first solution. The first solution is force to restart your iPhone. Press volume up button, then press volume down button, and then press the power button until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone screen and your iPhone forced to restart. Okay, if that method not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is open iPhone setting, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset. Okay, and reset all settings. After that it will fix. Make sure you don't have any hardware issue. Okay, if that method is also not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is turn off your iPhone and turn it on after 5 to 10 seconds. To do that, open iPhone settings, tap on general again, scroll down, tap on shutdown and restart your mobile after 5 to 10 seconds, and then try to back tap. Okay, if that method is also not working for you, then move to the last one. The last one is check that your back tap is on. To do that, open setting again, scroll down, tap on accessibility. You can see, scroll down again, tap on touch, scroll down, and you can see appears on screen back tap is turn off from that section. Okay, tap on that, turn on back tap, select any option that you want to add on back tap. Suppose right now I am selecting the screenshot. After that it will working 100%. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone back tap not working after iOS 17 update. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.